Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I'm Jess and this is Get Ready with Jess. If you haven't already, subscribe to me, put on your notification bell so you never miss a hit. So in today's video, we're actually going to be doing something a little bit different. It's still makeup, so don't worry, but we're just going to be doing something alongside of a few beauty hacks. So I've been looking on TikTok for a while and I've seen that a lot of people have been doing these TikTok hacks. They're really popular. I don't know what could possibly go wrong, but I have seen people do the hacks and some have gone well and some have gone bad. So let's just get on with it and see what happens, because we're doing a full face and each part of the face is a different hack. So for the first hack, we're going to be doing eyes. Now I usually don't start with my eyes, but because we're going to be using tape, I don't want the tape to pull off my foundation, so we'll be doing the foundation after. So for the first hack, we're going to be using tape and a spoon. So for the spoon, it's just going to fit over your eye because the crease fits nicely onto the rounded edge, and that's what will help us to create that rounded cut crease. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so we're using our spoon and we're going to be using our Jaclyn Hill palette. So these have got quite a lot of neutral colours in, and the look we're going to be going for today is a fox eye look. Now people say this is like a non-surgical eye lift because of how it creates the look of your eyes in an almond shape, a cat eye look. I mean, call it what you will, but it's meant to make your eyes lovely and lifted and nice and long. So that's what we're going to be doing today. If you do like the look of this, I'm not going to be doing a full tutorial on it today, but if you do like it, let me know and I will do a full step-by-step tutorial on how to create this look. If you're not bothered and you're happy to just continue and use this video for the fox eye, that is absolutely fine. You know where the comment box is, you can let me know if you want the tutorial. So for our first colour, we're going to be using this one right here. And then we're just going to place the spoon on my eye, start to add on the colours, and at the outside you want to just lift it up a bit because we want our eye to be lifted. Okay, and on the next eye we're doing the same colour. Okay, so now we've done that, I'm just going to get a little bit of tape and we're just going to pop that on there just so it's at a really good angle from the corner of your eye up to your eyebrow, because you want the flick to come quite far up. Okay, so our tape is on and now we're ready to continue. So I'm going to take my Kiko brush, and it's number 3. It's a slanted one, so it's really good for creating flicks. And the colour we're going to be going in with is this black one right in this bottom corner. Okay, so our first hack is done. We've used our tape and we have used the spoon. So we're just going to leave the tape on for a second and we're just going to go in with another colour. We're just going to go in with another colour, which is this one just here. So we're just going to dab just on the end of the brush and we're going to blend out our flick. You want the flick to be nice and smoky, but you still want to be able to see it. Okay, then I'm just going to go back in with my black, with my angled brush that I used the first time, just to go back over some parts to make it a bit prominent on the edges. where you can see your skin, where you think that you might want to just make it a bit more darker. We're just going to go in with this colour just here, a nice shimmery one. But we're just going to put it on the eyelid to give it a bit of a subtle glow. Okay, so now we've done our eyes, we're now going to move on to eyelashes. So for this hack, you're going to need cotton wool and a spool, and also mascara. So to start off the hack, we're going to pop a layer of mascara on. I did see this hack done by Huda. I absolutely love her. I buy so many of her products. She's probably one of the best people that's out there for makeup. She's amazing. And she did a video on her YouTube of her doing this hack, which I thought looked really good, like quite fun, a bit quirky, a bit different. So let's just see if it works or not. So I've got my spool and we're just gonna very lightly feather over the cotton wool. So we have a few fibres, and then you want to close your eye for this bit just because you don't want to get any fibres in your eye. And you're just going to brush the fibres onto the mascara. I have to squint because I don't want to get cotton wool in my eyes. Then we're just going to go in with some mascara. And this is meant to thicken and lengthen your lashes. I mean, whether it will work or not for us, we're just giving it a go. At the minute, it's not really done anything, because it worked for Huda, so I must be doing something. Okay, so we've done a couple of layers of the cotton wool with the mascara. I can't say it's made a massive difference, but let's just go with it and carry on with our look. So the next hack is laminated eyebrows. So for those of you who don't know what laminated eyebrows is, it's the look of your eyebrows looking brushed up, a little bit untidy, but that's the fashion at the minute. So people usually go to the salon to get this done. It's like a perming solution that they put on your eyebrows to keep them all brushed up all the time. It keeps a little bit of upkeep because you have to always brush your eyebrows to make sure that they're always neat and tidy and brushed up to help it last. So we're going to be creating that look but without the salon. So if anybody who actually wanted this look without having to spend the money or wasn't sure whether it would suit them or not beforehand, this is the perfect thing for you. Give it a try and see how it looks on you. So you'll just need some setting spray, your spool and a bar of soap. I'm using some Imperial Leather soap. I feel like this one might work quite well because Imperial Leather is quite a good brand of soap, but you can use any, there's no specifics. You're going to spray some setting spray onto your spool, make sure it's nice and wet, and then you're going to rub your spool onto the bar of soap. Okay, so now we're just going to brush the eyebrows up. Oh my, this is amazing. Oh my god. Guys, I have laminated brows and I'm obsessed. I'm loving it. Okay, so we have our laminated brows. They've stuck so unbelievably well. Okay, so our next step is foundation. So I've seen this one used quite a lot. Whether it works or not, I'm not sure because a lot of people use this on TikTok. So we're just going to start with moisturiser and we're just going to moisturise up our face. So we've moisturised and now we need to powder. And we're just going to dab it on. I think it's meant to give the illusion of like a really flawless, smooth foundation. That's what I've seen other people's turn out like, whereas I've seen other people's not turn out so well, so this is gonna go either way. So I've completely mattified my face, and now we're gonna go in with our setting spray. And now we go in with our foundation. So I'm just using 2 different foundations today just to mix them together because they're both not quite perfect to my skin. So we're just going to have a bit of a play and mix them both together. Okay, so now we've done our foundation, we're now going to go in with our contour stick and start to contour. The hack that I saw for this one, I wouldn't really say it was a hack, it was more of a tutorial on where to put your contour. So I'm going to use my contour brush, and then I'm just going to dab it in the top and copy what the girl did on her video. Okay, so we've lined where our double chin starts. And we need to shadow that double chin away. Next, she put her finger on her cheekbone and put her brush above it. It's a tiny bit messy because you do get a lot of it on your finger. Okay, and then we're going to go in and blend all of that in. Okay, so I'm just going to use my Morphe M6 brush and I'm going to use that to just finish off the blending. Okay, next, this wasn't in the hack, but I'm just going to do it anyway. We're going to go in with our concealer. So I'm using my beauty blender. Okay, so now we've done our contour, we're going to go in with our bronzer and blusher. I'm using my Anastasia Beverly Hills Tawny Powder Bronzer and I'm using my NARS Outlaw Blusher. Then I'm going to go in with my blusher. So I'm just going to go in with my sculpting brush and my bronzer just to contour my nose a bit. So I'm just going in with my Jeffree Star highlighter, colour Sarcophagus. A little bit of highlighter on the bridge of my nose and on the end of my nose. Okay, so we've done brows and we've done eyes, we've done our eyelashes, we've done our contour, foundation. Now, this is the most fun step of all, lips. Now, I saw this hack, I've seen a few different lip hacks. I don't think anyone's really going to expect what I'm going to be doing. It's so funny, honestly, it's such a weird one. I'm taking a little flat paintbrush, then I'm just going to take some of the glue and apply it in my Cupid's bow. So whilst that's drying, we're going to go in with our lip liner. And then I'm just going to apply some lipstick before we stick the lip. Right, and now it's time for the big reveal. Are you ready? Oh, my god. Oh, I can't laugh otherwise my lip will come down. This is what people with Botox must feel like. God, this is hilarious. I can't laugh. I can't move my lip because it's literally like stuck. Oh god, guys, this is so funny. I promise. I'm laughing on the inside. I look like one of those Instagram filters. Like, ooh. Check out my big... I mean, I know you can see the glue, guys, but let's be honest, this is just a hack. But, you know, we're loving the vibe. Okay, so we've done the hack. So let's just quickly review our hacks. I think my lip will probably just drop down. But anyway, I'm gonna try and talk. Okay, so to review the hacks. So we used the tape and the spoon. The spoon wasn't really a massive help, just purely because I can do that without a spoon. The tape, definitely gonna start using tape more often. I don't know why I didn't consider using it before. Oh no. The eyebrows I absolutely love. I would definitely recommend using this hack, and I'm probably going to use it more. I'm sorry, I can't take myself seriously with my lip like this. Oh my god, this is so joke. I would definitely use the hack on my eyebrows again. The contour has gone amazingly. My foundation, it's not really my thing, so I probably won't do the foundation like I did it today again, just purely because I know there's other ways to make it go on a bit more nicer, and I feel like it's kind of clung to where I put the powder on first. And my lips, well, I think that's just a bit of a joke within itself. Oh my gosh, this is insane. Like, oh god, guys, I actually have gone up at least like 5 times bigger. I mean, don't get me wrong, this hack is like insane, but it's just not something that you'd want to kind of leave the house in. We have finished today's look. If you have enjoyed this video, let me know. Give us a thumbs up and a subscribe down below. My next video will be out on Monday. So if you have enjoyed the video, please let me know. I thank you for all your support. I love all my subscribers, everyone who pays attention to what I post. I absolutely couldn't think of anything better I'd rather be doing than being creative and inspiring to everybody. If you do think my videos are inspiring and you've done some creations, please DM me your pictures. My Instagram will be in the description box down below. I love you all so much. Thank you very much, and I will... Oh no, my lips come off. Okay, just ignore the glue, please. So this is not the finished look now, but oh, thank you so much for all of your support, guys. I love you all so much, and I will see you again soon. Bye, guys.